Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube. Today we have a unboxing. This is my first ever sneakers win on my account, on like my personal account. I haven't been able to win, but I also like noticed this win came after I bought a couple items at the Nike clearance store that I've been buying. So I wonder if that has anything to do with it. In this box we got just as y'all saw by the title, these shoes aren't really tube hype, which is crazy. Like, I don't know if people like don't know if like this is Drake's shoe or like what's the deal, because I remember when the OVOs came out, like it was such a big deal. But ooh, looks like a classic box. First time seeing the box and the shoe in hand, because no one here in the valley has this shoe. So this box gives me like early 2000 vibes. So here we have the Hot Step Air Terra NOCTAs in a size 10. So you see the box right here. It has NOCTA branding here and NOCTA there. On this shoe is funny because I had set my alarm for 9, but when I woke up I was like, nah, like if this shoe's still there later, I'll just buy it. Like, it's meant for it to be. And then I woke up like around 1, and sure enough the shoe was there, so it was nice. This box has like a rough feel to it on the grape, and like your typical card box shoe on this side. But here we got the tape. The tape, the paper, it's nothing crazy on it. Double paper. And here we have no extra laces as it appears. No extra nothing. So in this box you're only gonna get the shoe, but in hand we have the Air NOCTA Hot Step. The quality, honestly, the bottom feels like a Gore-Tex shoe almost. This quality, the leather feels pretty nice, honestly. It's got like a foam midsole. It has a small check here, but it's like hard plastic. Same check here on the side. This side, I don't know if y'all can see, has several checks going down the side. And here we have the NOCTA logo. I wonder if the CO here in the bottom stands for Certified Lover, because these came out around the same time. Quality control, I've noticed that Nike's been slacking. Like, you can see the glue and stuff like that, but this shoe looks pretty good overall. I honestly hope they fit. I didn't really search like fitment on this shoe, so I got a 10. I wear between 9.5 and 10, so hopefully it does fit. On the inside we have the NOCTA logo, the check, and it should be the same thing on this shoe. Yeah, everything's the same. It's weird, I'm used to that Jordan smell. This one has no smell, so that should be a sign if y'all guys run across fakes. So this was bought on Sneakers. I think it was like 180 was retail, I believe. And I don't even have the retail price anymore. But guys, here we have it. Like I said, the quality feels great. The shoe feels good. It feels comfortable, honestly. And it's funny because today is Steelers will be playing later on versus the Browns. This is week 3 of the NFL, and I wanted the all white ones, I think, or all black, I remember, but these will do pretty good. I know I'm gonna get some good use out of this, being a Steelers fan. But overall, really nice, really clean. It honestly looks like a Lugs shoe, like for those early 2000, like if y'all can remember that time, that's what this shoe reminds me of, like the Lugs. So that's kind of like nostalgia. I like what he really did with the shoe. Quality is good. Something different. It also kind of looks like a foam runner, like the overall shape. Not a fan of the foam runner, but kind of does look like that. I really like this though. Well guys, thank y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all think of this shoe, of any of the new Nike releases. How do y'all feel about the market going back to normal? You know, the retros are sitting at the stores. Let me know how y'all feel about that. Let me know if this is a cop or if I should get any other colorway in these and unbox it for you guys. Thank y'all and stay blessed.